Hello and welcome back to Lone Wolf 368. Thank you for joining me. Just a small word, 90% of people that watch my videos are not subscribed. Why? It's free. Do me a favour, hit that subscribe button. Having said that, let's get on with today's topic, which is Microsoft just fixed 570 security flaws. Should you update right now? Microsoft has just released the largest patch update in its history, fixing an astonishing 570 security vulnerabilities across Windows and other Microsoft products. Even more concerning, 3 zero-day vulnerabilities were patched, and 2 of them are already being actively exploited by attackers. So what does this mean for Windows users? Is this a sign Microsoft security is getting worse or actually getting better? Let's break it down. If you use Windows 10, 11, Microsoft Office, SharePoint or Enterprise Microsoft Services, today's update is one you should definitely know about. According to cybersecurity journalist Brian Krebs, Microsoft's July 2026 patch Tuesday fixed 570 security flaws, nearly 3 times more than the previous record-breaking update just 1 month ago. First glance, 570 vulnerabilities sounds terrifying, but Microsoft says there's another explanation. The company recently announced that AI-assisted security analysis is dramatically increasing the number of vulnerabilities being discovered before criminals can exploit them. Instead of waiting for hackers to find weaknesses first, AI is helping Microsoft engineers identify problems much faster during code analysis. In other words, a higher patch count doesn't necessarily mean Windows is becoming less secure. It may actually mean Microsoft is finding more issues before attackers do. Still, that's only part of the story. Out of the 570 vulnerabilities, nearly 60 are rated critical. Many could allow remote code execution, where an attacker can take control of a computer remotely. Around 250 involve privilege escalation, letting attackers gain administrator-level access after getting into a system. Those are exactly the types of vulnerabilities ransomware groups love to exploit. The biggest concern is the 3 zero-day vulnerabilities. A 0 day is a flaw that attackers know about before users have installed a fix. Even worse, 2 of those 0 days are already being exploited in the wild. One affects Active Directory Federation services, which many organizations use for authentication. Another impacts Microsoft SharePoint, making it especially important for businesses running on-premises SharePoint servers. The third vulnerability involves BitLocker. This one isn't known to be actively exploited, but it could allow someone with physical access to bypass BitLocker protection and access encrypted data. Normally the advice is simple: update immediately, but this month's release is unusually large. Brian Krebs notes that updates of this size occasionally introduce unexpected compatibility or stability issues. For home users, it's reasonable to wait a day or 2 if you want to see whether any major problems are reported. For businesses, security teams should begin testing immediately and prioritise internet-facing systems, identify servers and SharePoint deployments, because active attacks are already occurring. Regardless of when you install the updates, always make sure you have a recent backup. So this update may be a glimpse of what's coming. Microsoft has already warned customers to expect larger Patch Tuesday releases. Also, AI continues accelerating vulnerability discovery. That means we could see hundreds of vulnerabilities fixed every month, not because software is suddenly much worse, but because security testing is becoming much more effective. It's a reminder that cybersecurity is changing rapidly. Attackers are using AI, defenders are using AI, and the pace of vulnerability discovery is only going to increase. So, what do you think? Is Microsoft's record-breaking update reassuring because more vulnerabilities are being found before attackers exploit them? Or is 570 security flaws simply too many? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you found this update useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the ever-growing Wolfpack. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Having said that, take care of one another as always, and I'll catch you on the next one.